Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to demonstrate how a vacuum table system works. Now, the first time someone actually explained and showed me this, I thought they were full of crap. So it's pretty exciting to see this take place. Let me break down a little bit of what's happening so that we can visualize what's taking place. The first thing is we have a base table that has 4 vacuum pods underneath the machine. And when we turn those on, that's going to pull air down through our vacuum table, which is not being shown here. That's underneath this MDF table. And there will be enough air traveling through this MDF table to hold down an additional sheet on top of that surface. So let's see how it's done. As you can see, I'm putting all my weight into this, trying to move it with that vacuum table on, and it does not want to move whatsoever. It's just because there's enough air pulling that through the MDF, holding that right down on top of that spoil board surface. Now let's repeat that one more time, this time with a smaller component. So we'll take this off, replace it with this sheet instead, turn it on and see how it holds even a smaller part. So we can see that we can even get away with smaller surfaces on the vacuum table. We can actually get away with about a 4 square feet. That's a 2 foot by 2 foot square section that can be held on a perfectly smooth spoil board surface. Using this workstation is very simple. To hold down sheets on the vacuum table, place a MDF spoil board over the grid table. Place the sheet you want to cut on top of the spoil board. Turn the vacuum on and start cutting. Now, based on what size of machine you have, there can be anywhere from 1 to 6 vacuum ports. This 4x8 system has 1, 2, 3, 4. Each port can be individually turned on and off by the controller. Grid tables and mounting hardware are also included with the vacuum system, along with a round foam cord to seal a spoil board to the top of the grid table. Let's recap all the advantages of the vacuum table system. First point is that it's built directly into the machine, so there's no additional pump or plumbing that's necessary in order to make the system work. Second, it's fully automated with the controller, so all you have to do is activate it and it will automatically turn on whenever you're setting up or running parts. A vacuum table hold-down system is by far the simplest and fastest way to get sheet goods on and off of your machine. Because we're holding down our sheet on a spoil board surface, we don't run into that risk of accidentally running into any clamps or hold-down fixtures during our cutting procedures. And last, this entire vacuum table is a modular system that can be added to the Maverick E-Series at any time. It's simply a plug-and-play system that you receive and you are ready to go loading sheets on and off using your vacuum table hold-down system. Now, right now we have a current promotion going on to where you can apply $6,500 as credit towards any modular options or accessories. That includes the vacuum table system, which is listed at $4,000, where you would still have a large chunk of change to be applied to other areas that you need. Now, with the vacuum table system, one of the most asked for accessories is the pop-up pins for stopping the sheets when loading and offloading your parts. We will actually take a sneak peek into that in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Now, if you're interested in learning more about a Legacy CNC system, I highly recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, you can always call 801-491-0010 to talk with a CNC expert, or you can leave any comments or questions just down below. If you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations or videos simply about our CNC machines, just click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check that notification box so that you can be notified when new videos like this come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.